Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Red Dead Redemption 2 black screen issue on OBS. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to graphics, then you need to go to resolution, make sure it's your native resolution that you use, make sure screen type is windowed, and then VSync is off. Then scroll down a bit until you see advanced settings and then graphics API, and make sure it's not Vulkan but DirectX 12, right? And then I set these settings, every setting to low, but I know probably it's not the case. Just change to Direct 12 and then it should work for you. Also, if you use Riva Tuner or MSI Afterburner, try to disable them as well and then look if the problem persists. But simply when I apply these changes and then changed my as you can see here, screen type to windowed, not windowed borderless, but windowed. And now I can record video on Red Dead Redemption. So yeah, that's it.